Hi, second grade. It's Mrs. Gorski, and today I'm going to be bringing you a lesson talking about today's number. So now that we're coming into math content and investigations, we're going to be doing something called today's number, and it could change from time to time because sometimes you're going to be seeing it spiral back in our math curriculum. So today you're going to be doing the number 8 with me. So basically, today's number means just this. It's a great way to show numbers in different ways. So here, I'm showing it as a digit. I'm showing it as a number. What you have to do is you have to develop other ways in order to show 8. So here, I have some materials that we're going to use. I'm also going to write some things down. But first, why don't we show it as a picture? So here I have some tiles that's going to show 8 as a picture. So I have 8 square tiles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's showing 8. I have 8 here as money. So I have a nickel, which is 5, and 3 pennies, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I could show 8 cents. Now, if you don't have a nickel, you could also use 8 pennies. You could draw 8 pennies out. That's fine as well. But also what you can do is you can show 8 tallies. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another way possibly that you could show 8 would be in word form. So we'd literally have to spell it out. We'd go E-I-G-H-T. That's another way that you could show 8. Now, when you're kind of beyond this, you can start making number sentences. So some things that I like to do, and especially a lot of my second graders, in the past, they love to start with the more simplistic ones. So if you're thinking about 8 plus 0 equals 8, that totally works. You could do the flip-flop to that too. You could do 0 plus 8 equals 8. That would work also. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. That works too. You could also do subtraction pieces. You could do 10 minus 2 equals 8. That works too. You can do 18 minus 10 equals 8. That works too. Now, you could develop as many as you like until the teacher says, pretty much you don't have to worry about it. You could stop. And then we could have a little discussion on ways to make 8 or whatever that number is for the day. Now, as you can see, I used 2 numbers in my number sentences. Now, that's not necessarily saying that you can't use more than that. So mainly if you want to use more than one number when you're developing a number sentence, I only like to see that with addition because when we talk about subtraction, we don't like to subtract more than 2 numbers at one time. So if we wanted to show today's number and we wanted to use 3 numbers to do that, we could do 5 plus 2 plus 1, and that equals 8. We could do 6 plus 1 plus 1, and that also equals 8. So there's a lot of ways that you can use to show today's number. It's a super fun, it could be a super fast activity, and you could do this at home just with a piece of paper and a pencil. Because if you were in school physically working in our textbook, then you would basically be using a paper and pencil anyway. So when it comes to these items right here, you could just draw them out. It's no big deal. Everything is right there for you. So that's really today's number. You could practice this at home with any number. Now, if you're more of a kiddo that likes to have higher numbers, you could do higher numbers too. It doesn't just have to stay with a single digit number. But that's today's number. I will be seeing you again soon, and have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.